Hi, welcome to In Front of Computer. I am Uttam Kumar, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add music to your video and edit the music, add fade in, fade out, and how to do it faster. Okay, so here we got this music. You can just import it very easily and just add it. So if I play it from the beginning, but in this music the fade in already added. But whatever, if I want to add the fade in from here and we want to start this from the beginning, so I just hold the left click and move this point here, and if I play from the beginning now, this time no fade in. To add fade in, just click this icon, then again this arrow, and we got these audio levels, and here this clock icon, just click here to add keyframe, and the beginning start from the low level, and here we can set it 0 again, and from this time to this time it should be 0, but the keyframe not added. For that you need to click here. If you don't have these keys, just right click here, go to column, and make sure this keys is selected or marked. So here this time we want to add another keyframe, but this time it's minus for fade out. Okay. So if I play it now, I hope now you understand how to add fade in and fade out. Okay, we can give some more space here. Okay, we can play it again. You can also see the waveform if you want. You can see the waveform here, and you can also add this keyframe faster when you have many projects. Okay, how to do that? Okay, let's delete this one and add it again, and this time we just move this point here, and this time we want to add the keyframe here, not from the beginning, so that we don't have to set this keyframe again. So if I want to add the keyframe, just click this clock icon, and from this time to this time we don't want any change of the volume or of the audio level, so we can set another keyframe here, and this time means from the beginning it starts from -30 and it finishes -30. Same. In this way you can do it faster. The same thing, you can also move this keyframe, just select and move it. You can add fade in on the video so that it also looks better. I want to add transparency here, so it start from 0, then click here, and this time 100%. In this time we don't want any changes, so I set the keyframe, and finally the opacity 0. So if I play from the beginning now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, see you again in the next tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel. See you again.